Hello and welcome to the onboarding guide for Bird Pickup and Delivery app. So in the first onboarding screen, you will see three options. First option is whether you do local delivery or not. Second option, whether you do store pickup or not. Third option is whether you do shipping or not. Choose these options as per your store requirements. So basically when you enable these options here, these tabs are enabled in the widget. So here I have enabled all three and I'm moving forward. On the next screen, you will see the option to configure the languages. If your store has more than one language, then you can configure them here. Moving on. So on the last step, we can add this widget into our theme. For that, I'll click on this add widget in theme button here. So on this screen, you should see this option here that is enabled. And on the right hand side, you should see the save button. If you don't see the save button, it means your theme doesn't support the app embed blocks. You might have to upgrade your Shopify plan in order to use our app. So going back, if I click on this, I have enabled the app. This should turn green. That is right. So moving forward, the onboarding is done. Now I can finish and continue to the dashboard. Now based on your requirement, you can choose any of the plans. You can also give our free plan a try, that is up to 20 orders. And then on the settings page, we have this widget placement button. So on the widget placement, you again see the same option that you have seen while onboarding. So here I can install the widget in some other theme as well. So if I click add widget in theme, it again takes me to the theme customizer. Here I can click save on the top and right side. And if I go back and click on check if enabled, this should also turn green. So this will work on all the themes that are either free or that you have purchased. If you are using a trial theme, then this might not turn green. Thank you.